Let's start by creating a test course, and then we'll package that course into an offer. I'll click Create Product. You can import from Kajabi if you're familiar and have courses there, but I'll start from scratch. And then we have a couple pre-configured options. The sprint course is very short. The marathon has a little bit more. You can choose a membership, or you can build your own from scratch. Let's select a sprint course here for the example, and I'll call this YouTube Ranking Academy. Let's suppose I have some contacts that want to skill up in YouTube themselves. Here, I'll click Create Product. If you had started from scratch, you would have to make all of these lessons yourself, but by clicking the sprint course, you have some skeleton that's already built out. If you click this button, you can add lessons, subcategories, assessments, and credentials. So you can still customize this. Here we'll notice a notification about your payment processor. Until you hook this up, you can only have free products here. If we click this button, we can preview the course in a new tab. I'll close this. At any time, we can preview an individual lesson, and we can see how this lesson looks within the player. I'll close this. With the pencil icon, we can edit a lesson. You can upload video, audio, configure your title, description, add a video thumbnail, add a lesson thumbnail. When you've made changes, you can click Save. I'll go back for the moment. In the top here, we can enter product details. You can edit the title, add a description, add a product thumbnail. You have a few customization options. This is the default theme, but you can browse some of them here. Not a huge selection, but you do have some options that change it up. Offers we'll cover in just a second. And then you also have a place where you can manage comments. And if you go back, there's also a section for credentials. You can click the three-dot menu and say Preview. This will show you the certificate that people get upon completion.